name is Mary. Welcome to our laboratory. Today, we're going to do an experiment to see how vinegar and baking soda react. This is my student. She will help us for today.
My name's Anna.
Good. So, what we will need for our experiment? Baking soda, a little spoon, a funnel, a balloon, some water in a bottle,
And white
vinegar.
vinegar.
The first step, we're going to open the lid here and we're going to put the baking soda in. Would you help me put the baking soda in? Be fast.
It's too tiny light. Just like a rock.
Stick.
Yes, it's sticking to each other. Yeah, you can do that.
I will put it in, okay?
Yes, it's sticking. It's blowing. Just a little. Or you might put the spoon in so it can.
No, we don't need that. So now we will put the baking soda in to make the balloon fill up.
Yes.
I think we need some water. That is enough.
Yes.
Okay, so now we will put the spoon over here. I will make it all falling down. Ooh, that is good. So now we're going to open the bottle. I will open the lid for you. Now pour the white vinegar in. Can you? I will hold the bottle for you. Let's lay it here. Do you know how to do it? Just pour it in like this. Okay. Hold it. Hold it. Hold the bottle here.
It's quite hard to put in.
You need to pour it.
No. Okay.
That is enough. Now is the part. I will need to put the funnel out. Good. And then I will cover it here. Oh my.
It has a hole.
It has a hole. But don't worry.
Yeah.
Having experiments is fun.
Yeah. I'll help you.
Make sure to cover it up.
Be quiet, little baby.
Wow. See? It's blowing up. The balloon is blowing up. I think we need to put more
What?
more vinegar. So you see, what did the white vinegar and the balloon and the baking soda do to make the balloon blow up? It do what?
It,
React.
yes.
Okay?
It reacts.
The white vinegar and the baking soda make carbon dioxide. Can you see the little bubbles here? It makes the carbon dioxide so that the balloon can blow up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's air. So now we have done our experiment. Did you have fun in our experiment? I want to tell you one more thing. It's a fun fact. Okay, so the balloon, we blow it up, it can float up, right? But we cannot float up. How can the balloon float up? It is using helium. Helium is lighter than gravity, so we can use it. So when we blow in it, the balloon can float up so that we can see high in the air. Goodbye. We will have more experiments next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. See you next time.